everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how Excel can automatically calculate and populate your spreadsheet. I create a couple of columns here, for example. So I create there columns of day, month, date, numbers, and multiplication. If anywhere in the table you type any day, for example Monday, I click on the day, I click on the black cross and drag down. Excel will automatically fill in the other days for you. And the same situation applies to the months. For example, I type January, click on the black cross and drag down. Excel will fill in the other months for you. It's similar with dates. Start by typing the date. Again, click on the black cross and drag down. With numbers, it's a little more complicated. If you type just one number, like I did, Excel will create a column where the numbers repeat. That's why you need to give Excel two values. If you want the table to continue as 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to give Excel two values. I'll show you the multiplication right now. I type in 2 and 4 and Excel writes the multiplication by 2. And do the same in the multiplication by 3. And so you can count to infinity. I hope this video helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.